வணக்கம். Substance over form in accounting. According to substance over form in accounting, transactions recorded in the financial statements and accompanying disclosures of a company must reflect their economic substance rather than their legal form. In certain times, the legal form of a transaction is not able to provide its true image. The transactions recorded should not hide its true intent, which would mislead the readers of a company's financial statements. Even though the legal form is important in business transactions, it may be disregarded to present more relevant knowledge to the users of financial statements. It will not mislead the beneficiaries about financial information. The financial statements and accompanying disclosures of a business should reflect the underlying realities of accounting transactions. The financial statements of a company need to be presented in a manner that reflects their true essence in the best way. Hence, the substance over form argument assumes that someone is attempting to deliberately hide the true intent of a transaction, but it may also arise simply because of a transaction is extremely complex, which makes it quite difficult to ascertain what substance of the transaction is, even for a law-abiding accountant. Outside auditors are continually examining the transaction of their clients to ensure that the substance over form criterion is being followed. This issue is of some importance to auditors since they are being asked to attest to the fairness of presentation of a set of financial statements, and fairness of presentation and substance over form concepts are essentially the same thing. For example, if a small company buys a fleet of vans using a lease agreement from a bank, it will pay some advance cost and the remaining sum for the vans over a 5-year period. Now, despite legally owning the vans, from an economic point of view, the company will not be recognized as a legal owner until it pays the final installment at the end of the 5th year. Now, what are all the criticism for this? There are some specific criticism. One, substance over form is particularly concerned under GAAP, that is generally accepted accounting principles, because it is largely rules based and creates specific hurdles to record a transaction a certain way. Secondly, international financial reporting standards, that is IFRS, are more principles based, so it is even more difficult to justify hiding the intent of a transaction if they are using IFRS framework to construct their financial statements. So under GAAP system and IFRS system, this is little complicated, but this is very important for any business organization in preparing and presenting the financial statements to the ultimate users and beneficiaries. Thank you very much. We will meet with another interesting concept in accounting.